Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and I think that this CZ pear-shaped ring from Oivley is just fabulously beautiful. I especially like it because I feel that I can wear it anywhere, anytime, doing anything, and not worry that the stone is going to fall out. This ring just screams bling. I love how bright it is, how it refracts light. So this is high quality cubic zirconia. In fact, it's rated 5As, and each stone is hand selected to make sure that it is up to that grade. It's also sterling silver with 18 karat gold plating. This is just a stunning ring. I wear a size 4 1/4 on my ring finger, and so I sized up to a 4.5 for this ring and then just used a ring sizer on the back so that it doesn't flop around, and that's been working really well. And I love that it stacks well with other rings too. I've been combining it with a 3-band stacking ring that I have, and I think they go really nicely together. This is such a beautiful ring. I love wearing it, and I think that you will too, but that's just my point of view.